Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, this is the third video of English names of different parts of our body. Now I am going to share with you the English name of different parts of our hand. So let's see. Number one, hand. Hand means hath. Hand means hath. Number two, arm. Arm means bahu. Arm means bahu. Number three, armpit. That means bogol. Number four, elbow. That means kunui. Number five, wrist. That means hater kobji. Number six, finger. That means hater angul. Number seven, nail. That means knock. Nail means knock. Okay viewers, keep memorizing these words and waiting for the next video. In the next video I will share the English names of different parts of our body. Okay viewers, till then stay well. Bye.